Hi guys, today we going to look at all the different file types. X stands for executable. It's the main file type used to launch programs on Windows. What it does: when you open a .exe file, it starts a program, a game, or an installer. A .dmg file is a Mac OS installation file. Think of it like a virtual box that holds an app. What it does: when you open a .dmg, it mounts like a virtual disk, and inside you usually see the app in a shortcut to drag it into your applications folder. Where it works: Mac, works perfectly. Windows, does not open normally. Linux, does not open normally. A .app file is a Mac OS application. It's the format used for apps you open on a Mac. What it does: when you click a .app, it runs the application just like opening an app on your phone. Where it works: Mac, works perfectly. Windows, does not run. Linux, does not run. An .apk file is an Android app installer. It's the file type used to install apps outside the Google Play Store. What it does: when you open an .apk, it installs an Android app on your device. Where it works: Android, works perfectly. Windows only works with Android emulators like BlueStacks. Mac, does not run unless using an Android emulator. iPhone iOS, cannot install or open .apk files. An .ipa file is an iPhone and iPad app installer. It's the file type used for apps on Apple's iOS devices. What it does: when you install an .ipa, it adds an app to your iPhone or iPad. Most .ipa files come from the App Store, but you can also sideload them with special tools. Where it works: iPhone, iPad iOS, works perfectly. Mac Apple Silicon with M1, M2, M3, some .ipa files can run. Windows, does not run. Android, cannot open .ipa files at all. An appimage file is a Linux application package. It's a single file that contains a full app and everything it needs to run. What it does: when you open an appimage, it runs the app directly, no installation needed. Where it works: Linux, works perfectly. Windows, Mac, Android, iPhone, does not run. A .dex file is a compiled code file for Android apps. It stands for Dalvik Executable and is used inside Android apps. What it does: it tells the Android system how the app should run. You don't open it like a normal app, it runs as part of an APK. Where it works: Android, works as part of apps. Windows, Mac, Linux, iPhone, does not run directly.